you used to wear liquid eyeliner and then as you've grown older, perhaps felt, it's not really for me anymore, keep watching because I'm going to share with you some really lovely tips that are not only going to make it super easy for you to apply liquid eyeliner, but I'm also going to show you a technique that makes liquid eyeliner look soft, sexy and youthful. So I'm going to show you a way that you can open and lift your eye first of all before even reaching for a liquid liner, and that involves a shadow. Essentially you're looking for a shade that's just a few shades darker than your natural skin tone. I'm going to go for this colour here. I'm going to get a little fluffy brush such as this one, dab it into the shadow. We're always going to tap off onto the back of our hand. You're going to apply the colour just ever so slightly above where your crease naturally is in your eye. Take your brush, pop it in the middle of your socket and go backwards and forwards like a little windscreen wiper. The next thing I'm going to do to really open my eyes up and just give my eyes a little bit extra lift is to apply this shimmery shadow here. Just below the brow area can look absolutely stunning and make your eyes look more open, more lifted and more youthful. I'm going to apply this between where my brow is and where I've created that lovely socket shading there. This is further going to help create more definition to my eye lift. And the final touch to the shadow look for this is to just pop a little bit of this same illuminating eyeshadow around the tear duct area, and this just creates a lovely bright-eyed opened eye effect. Most people struggle with applying a liquid eyeliner because of a shaky hand and you get that kind of jaggedy look, and then it's hard to perfect that line. So to help with that, we're going to take a brush such as this one here and we're going to create the line with a shadow first, so that if you make any jaggedy mistakes, you can't see those mistakes. It has the bonus of also making it look really sexy and a youthful way to wear liner. So I'm going to load up my brush. You could use a dark brown, a dark grey, a dark navy. Tap off to take your pinky finger, and this is going to act as your stabiliser on your cheekbone. And you're going to start by firstly applying the colour from the middle of your lower lid outwards. Instead of drawing the line, you're going to dab the line. So you stamp the line you want to follow. Stop when you get just before the end of my lashes. I'm going to put a bit more onto my brush now. Tap off. I'm going to go from the inner corner of my eye and meet in the middle. So I've done one line and now I'm going to dab over it again to create a slightly thicker line. What that is going to do is make my liner look even more smokier when I go to apply it. I think for many of us, when we think of liquid eyeliner, we automatically think of a black liquid eyeliner. I want to share with you a brown liquid eyeliner that still gives a beautiful impact, but it looks slightly softer, more wearable for the day. You're going to take your pinky finger, and this is going to be your stabiliser. You start from the middle, and I'm just going to follow the line that I've created. I'm going to end just 2 lashes away from the end of my lash line because I want to create a slightly more kind of lifted look. Did you see how easy that was? Now I'm going to do the inner part of my eye. I'm going to start at the inner corner there. I'm going to go and hug the lash line as close as possible, and you're going to meet the middle there. It's that easy. Now you don't always have to create a winged eyeliner look. You could just stop where I have here. But if you do want to elongate your eye outwards with a liquid liner, I'm going to show you a really easy way to do that. Imagine the line that runs from your lower lash line here continues going up towards the end of your brow. That's the imaginary angle of where you want your liner to go. Now, depending on how long you want your winged eyeliner to look, you can place a dot to give yourself that marker. I want it to end just there, so I'm going to put a tiny little dot in there. Then what you're going to do, tilt your chin up, look down, softly create a line from the end to meet the dot. You'll notice when I'm doing it, I'm doing feathery strokes. It doesn't matter if the line is not straight or perfect at this stage. So we need to connect that. We're simply going to draw a triangle, and that triangle needs to connect from here to here. By connecting this part to this part, it's going to feel like a fluid line. So I'm going to draw a triangle across to the line here and fill in any gaps. Because now I want to perfect this winged area here. Take a Q-tip, you're going to put a little bit of face cream on the back of your hand, and now we have a little eraser. I'm going to just take off the very end tail of my wing. You see how it's just creating a much more softer looking wing. Now I'm going to turn my Q-tip over to the dry side without any cream on the end, and I'm just going to neaten up any jaggedy edges. And that's how easy it is to create a winged look. Now I'm going to apply my mascara. You place the wand directly on the root of the lash, kind of stamp the colour on before you move the wand up. This really helps create a more voluminous effect to your lashes and also helps prevent any clogs. You can apply just one or two coats like I've done here. Alternatively, you can really layer up and create a false lash look, which the liquid liner will further add to, because it will make your lashes look fuller and thicker. On this eye, I'm just going to create that liner effect with the shadow and the liner, so you can see the difference and it gives you the options. On this eye, I've gone kind of full tilt on sculpting and highlighting, and on this eye, I'm just going to create a liquid liner look using exactly the same techniques. I've completed this liquid eyeliner look. Now I wanted you to see the difference between applying a little shadow to your socket and then not having any shadow in the socket here. Both looks I think look equally nice, it's personal choice. You may want to intensify your lashes, and to make your lashes look even fuller and thicker, then there's a very simple tip that you can do, and that's to get your eye pencil and apply it to the upper waterline. This will make your lashes look fuller and thicker, and if you do have any kind of white gaps, it will further help fill those gaps in. You're simply going to apply that to the upper waterline, just from the kind of pupil to the outer part of the eye. You don't need to go right the way across. It's really just on the outer section of the waterline here. It does take a few little practices just to really master that technique. So we have the finished look of this eye and this eye. I hope you felt you've learnt something in this video. I hope I've given you some inspiration to try liquid eyeliners again or for the first time. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. It really does mean so much to me. And I shall see you again in another video. Bye.